Welcome back. Well, a busy afternoon across Acadiana. Let's take a look at our tower cam. More darkness on the horizon as we look off to the east. We have another thunderstorm complex that's in St. Martin Parish. We'll get to that in just a bit, but let's kick it over to the graphics and just look at the big picture once again. Almost a little bit of a mega block pattern with low, high pressure kind of nestled in right here, but we don't have it drawn in. And what we're getting is a little bit of a northerly wind aloft and just some moisture and instability, but that's going to go away tomorrow. Drier air moves in and rain chances going down. But as advertised, we did have scattered storms this afternoon and some hefty ones across portions of Acadiana where we had pea to maybe chickpea size hail across many parts of Lafayette and other portions of Acadiana. But right now we have all the severe storms are confined to Cameron Parish and the southernmost portion of Calcasieu Parish. Very intense storms here just south of the I-10 corridor. So good news there. All the travelers on I-10. The worst is just south of you and then going down to the coastal areas. Look out maybe Holly Beach, eventually extreme southwest Louisiana, some strong storms. Farther to the east, this is the cluster we just showed you on the tower cam as we get into St. Martin Parish and storming from about Breaux Bridge, Cecilia, on up through Henderson and Butte-LaRose. This activity drifting to the south-southwest, so this could impact the rest of St. Martin Parish, maybe even Lafayette Parish and Iberia Parish over the next hour or two. Strong gusty winds, maybe some more pea-sized hail, but as we lose daytime heating, those storms will begin to dissipate, and by 8 or 9 o'clock, things quiet down. As for the tropics, northern Gulf is great. We have this frontal trough, lots of shear going across the Caribbean, so everything's shut down close to home. Meanwhile, it's a different story out in the Atlantic Basin. Two tropical waves that we're tracking now, they're going to go over the same spot. The one we tracked going back to yesterday is a little bit of a disturbance here by the Cabo Verde Islands. That one looks to move west, and another wave that's going to come off the coast. That one looks to move west and then maybe west-northwest, perhaps following in the path of our new tropical storm that is out here in the Atlantic being covered by those outlook areas. No concerns for us right now. And this is Tropical Storm Gabrielle. It finally got updated to a depression this morning and then a tropical storm by mid-morning. We still think this is going to stay in Atlantic system, but look out Bermuda, very close, maybe a Category 1 hurricane. Could be a Cat 2 down the line, but no threats to our part of the world. So quiet weather after the storms diminish tonight, and then this is the pattern. Not much in the way of any shower activity expected for tomorrow. We'll keep it at 5% for tomorrow, also Friday and Saturday as well. Here's the good news. Here's the good news coming up, but, well, guarded news. We do have going into next week, looking at the long range, about a week from today, a little bit of a frontal trough pushes on through, could give us some relief, but look what happens. That frontal trough goes away and we're back to southerly winds by the following weekend. So again, no real fall cool front on the horizon, but maybe a little relief. Not feeling bad tomorrow morning, upper 60s, so that's not too bad. Our normal low is 70 this time of year. Normal high is 89, so back to that to a mostly sunny pattern. And again, rain chance down to near zero for the next couple of days. Hot, dry days, mild nights ahead. Fall equinox on Monday, and then maybe a better chance of storms Tuesday, Wednesday with that frontal trough. And you can see we have a couple of nights where lows get down at least into the mid-60s for a night or two. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.